Hello everyone, this is FieldsMaster team. Today we will demonstrate how to use two different binders, FM PU 8004 and aromatic binder. Available in 200 kilograms and 20 kilograms packaging sizes. Here are some certificates related to products. These are application instructions, precautions for storage and transport. Here is contact information. Aromatic binder is the preferred choice for standard projects. This is another one of FieldsMaster's binders. FMPU 1185, an allopatic binder, also available in 200 kilograms and 20 kilograms. Here are application, storage, and transport. This is curing agent, used with allific binder, store sealed in cool, dry, and ventilated area. One wooden pallet can hold 4 barrels of binder. One 20-foot cabinet can hold 20 pallets.